In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the SHEIN AR Outfit Try-On feature. So let's get straight into the video. So there are virtual try-on buttons on the product page, but nowadays there are not much products that support this. So this was a feature that multiple different products features or multiple different products had it, but nowadays there are not much products that do have the AR feature. So let me just go ahead and see if there are any AR feature products, but there is a way around it. You can actually go ahead and try your outfit without actually even paying a single dollar, and that is going to be by heading into any browser and then searching for SHEIN Trial Center, just like that, and then tap on the first tab. This is where you can actually go ahead and get free trials of multiple different products, as you can see. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.